Hello everyone and welcome. This is Jay Hunter Holland coming at you with another helpful tip for using Pro Tools. Today before we jump on in, I actually just want to take a second to thank all my followers. We hit 1,000 followers earlier this week, which is insane to me. I never thought we would make it here, but I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you, and I will keep doing everything I can to make as quality and as helpful content as I possibly can for you. Alright, well with that being said, let's jump on into the tip. Alright, so today we're going to be going over how to use solo safe mode, which is super helpful when mixing in Pro Tools. Essentially what that means is when you have a bus or an individual track soloed, if you have your return aux input track with the effect on it in solo safe mode, that means when it is soloed, you will still be able to hear the effect, which is super helpful when mixing. Let me show you what I'm talking about right now. Listen up.
To know why won't you look at my plans? Always daydream even when I'm fed my coffee. I talk to my dogs and my dogs are talking back.
Alright, so I just toggled it on and off. You should have been able to hear that. Essentially, I hold down Control on Windows, Command on Mac, and I click on the solo button on the return track. And when I click on it and it's grayed out, that means I am in solo safe mode. When it is not grayed out, that means I am not. When you are not in it, you will not hear the verb. When you are in it, you will when you solo the track. Alright, well that's all there is to it. I appreciate y'all tuning on in. Again, I hope this was super helpful, and I will see you in the next one.